now we're gonna show a suit-up of Machomandalorian. I already have the pants on, and then I have this. It's like a skin color shirt on, just because everything pinches and the Velcro rubs and makes it a little easier to wear. I got one boot on. I can just strap everything on this one. The other one I have to put on after I got the armor on.
Right.
So we're gonna start with that.
I'm gonna sit here and watch him do this because he's got yoga pants on.
First thing to start on is the knee. As we saw in my other videos, what everything is made out of, it's made out of foam.
Come here, Dexter. Come on, buddy. You're blocking
Got
the
my
shot.
helper, my little helper there.
Scratch my ass. Scratch my ass. What he's not telling you, because his gut is cutting off his airway and he can't breathe at the moment, is he's lacing up his shoe and he's going to pull the armor back down.
Never do that to you.
All our fellow nerds know what we're talking about.
Yep. Again, this is animated clone chin. I modified and strapped it up for this specifically.
Oh, you know what? All these fringes, we should do like a rhinestone cowboy Mandalorian.
Yeah.
We got to do the proper mix of the rhinestone cowboy bebop.
Yeah, there you go. We just threw anime in our shit.
You did. Alright, what's next? Next
The chest.
shirt. Yeah.
Oh,
Here is where I'm going to need help because the jetpack
goes on first,
goes on and gets.
which has the straps go through the top holes. You get it? Alright, you hold that.
Actually, when I grabbed his nipple.
And on the back there's holes as well. So just disconnect it.
And everything I do crosses, all straps I have cross in the front. And the reason there is it's more stable and more secure if everything is crossed in the front as opposed to the back.
And then we got the Velcro the sides up. In case you haven't noticed, Velcro is your friend with cosplay.
And this, all I did was took the shirt, cut it down the sides, sewed Velcro on it.
Just messed up your shirt in.
And then the belt. Gauntlets.
Now, if you watch the Mandalorian or Machomandalorian build, it originally just had straps, elastic straps to hold the gauntlets on, but they kept moving around, so he made bottoms to it with Velcro to hold them in place better.
Yeah, they were too tight. They were cutting off circulation in my arms.
It happens when you work out too much and you get all swole.
That's right. Work on my Ben Swallow.
About these, they don't have to be neat, shredded.
That's right.
Yeah. And he's got max grip gloves, so try and slide this over them. They grip really well.
They do their job.
Hence why he's taking so long on just one hand. The hand's skinnier.
And that is it.
That's it.
Oh,
Well,
no,
minus
it's
the
not.
helmet.
It's not done.
Now he has recently shaved his head, got a haircut and all that, but he normally keeps it, would have it long so he'd look like Macho Man.
Now I have to get a wig.
Yeah. So if you look up Macho Mandalorian online, of course he's going to be the top 4 that show up. And the helmet is made out of EVA foam. And that's it. Easy peasy.